In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your Wix site to another account. So whether you're helping a client, switching personal accounts, or moving from a shared business account, I'm here to guide you step by step through the process. It's really quite simple, and with just a few steps, you'll have your site smoothly transitioned to the new account. Let's begin with the essentials. First, you'll need to log in to your Wix account, the one that currently owns the site you're planning to transfer. It's important to be logged into the correct account where the site is currently hosted, as this ensures you have all the necessary permissions to carry out the transfer without a hitch. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Wix dashboard, which is the control center for all your sites. Now that you're at the dashboard, the next step is to locate the specific site you wish to transfer. Take a moment to scroll through your list of sites and make sure you're selecting the correct one. This is crucial because transferring the wrong site can lead to complications. Once you've found it, click to enter the site's dashboard. Here, everything related to your site is managed, and it's where you'll trigger the transfer process. Within the site dashboard, look for a section often labeled as Site Actions. This might be a drop-down list or presented as an option that says More Actions, or simply symbolized by an ellipsis, which looks like three little dots. Clicking on this will present you with several options that relate to actions you can take with your site. Among these options, you should see one labeled Transfer Site. Go ahead and click it. Now you'll need to provide the email address associated with the Wix account to which you're transferring the site. Ensure you have the correct email address of the recipient's Wix account. It's always a good idea to double-check this information to avoid sending the site to the wrong account, which could require additional intervention to correct. And there you have it. The site has been initiated for transfer to the new account. The recipient will likely need to accept the transfer on their end to finalize the move. This ensures that the new account holder acknowledges and agrees to take over control of the site. Once they accept it, the transfer will be complete. It's all about attention to detail and taking it one step at a time. If you have any questions or encounter any issues during the process, Wix's support resources and community forums can be exceptionally helpful. So, there you go. Now you know exactly how to transfer your Wix site to another account smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy transferring.